Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called caveat emptor. It's a Latin phrase that can be roughly translated in English to let the buyer beware. While the phrase is sometimes used as a proverb in English, it is also sometimes used in legal contract as a type of a disclaimer. In many jurisdictions, it is the contract law principle that places the onus on the buyer to perform due diligence before making a purchase. The inclusion of this disclaimer is intended to resolve disputes arising from information asymmetry, a situation in which the seller has more information than the buyer about the quality of the goods or service. For example, if Austin wants to buy a car from Allison under the caveat emptor principle, he is responsible for gathering necessary information to make an informed purchase. In order to gather this information, Austin may decide to ask Allison how many miles the car has on it, whether any major component need to be replaced, whether it has been serviced regularly, etc. If he buys the car for asking price and makes little or no effort to assess its true value and the car subsequently breaks down, Allison is not technically liable for damages under the principle of caveat emptor. In practice, there are many exceptions to this principle. For example, if Allison lied about the car's mileage or maintenance need, she would have committed a fraud and Austin would in theory be entitled for the damages. Market forces acts to reduce applicability of caveat emptor in some cases. Warranties or guarantees of a quality or satisfaction that seller issue voluntarily to buyer. If the seller provide a quality product, they will not need to provide refund or replacements very often, and buyer will incline to choose these vendors based on perception of quality. Thanks for watching. Bye.